S1, June 2014, question 7. Okay, so this is quite an algebraic question for S1. We're given the table with our values and theta is appearing in the table as a probability. We know the probabilities add up to 1, but the thetas just cancel anyway. But we also know as a basic fact the probabilities have got to be between 0 and 1. So in other words, that probability is between 0 and 1, and so is that one. And it doesn't take a lot of inequality solving to realise then that theta has got to be somewhere between 0 and 0.4. Once I've done that, I'm going to work out my E of x by doing value times probability all the way along. Okay, and I'm going to add those pairs together. That gives me these 5 pairs of numbers, which I'm going to simplify. I've just worked them out, and I'm going to simplify down, and they give me 3.5 minus 2 theta. Because we know that theta is between 0 and 0.4, that means that 3.5 minus 2 theta has got to be between 3.5 and 2.7. It does get even more algebraic then, because to work out the variance, I've got to do E of x squared, which is, remember, the value squared times the probability all the way along. This gives me all of these component parts, which again I simplify to give me 14.5 minus 16 theta. To get my variance equal to 1.5 now, I use the formula. My variance is E of x squared, take away mean squared is 1.5. Right, so there's my E of x squared, there's my mean squared. I have to expand that bracket. This already looks like it's heading towards a quadratic equation. So here's the quadratic equation that it simplifies down to. So just got to rearrange it to give me that. I don't like the minus 4 in the first place. I don't like the 0.75. Multiply everything through by minus 4. So I get a plus number in the front and everything's a whole number. This looks like it'll factorize, and in fact it does, into 4 theta minus 1. 4 theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Take each bracket as usual, put it equal to 0, and I get that theta is equal to a quarter, which is, of course, has got to be my answer, because theta equals minus 3/4. It doesn't make any sense there.